miles. At the age of 15, Jason started to really knuckle down on soloing, because you can legally fly an airplane solo at 16. This is a major milestone for aviation enthusiasts. On his 16th birthday, Jason soloed 4 of his father's airplanes: a Piper Super Cruiser, a J3 Cub, a Piper Cherokee, and lastly, he soloed his first fix, an S1S. Not the one you'll see flying for you here today, but a slightly different one. He began flying competition aerobatics at 17 in the sportsman category, and here he goes on the takeoff roll. Now at 30 plus, he's competing in the advanced category while making a habit of placing in the top 3 at each contest he signs up for. And he's got quite a list of accomplishments here. Now, unfortunately, there's a dark side to this. Jason nearly lost his life 10 plus years ago due to an engine failure while towing banners at the Jersey Shore. Jason was airlifted to a nearby hospital with critical injuries. He also about a 6G bull. He is the only with an old sperm in his body right now. That's absolutely amazing medical miracle. But in spite of his severe injuries that didn't keep him down throughout the entire process, around 1947, because Curtis wasn't happy with he said, well, I can do that. The end result is this gorgeous airplane that you see here today is still a staple on the modified. Jason's here has been modified, but not that much. He's flying the Fitz S1S built by the Stewart Airplane Factory in Rodney, Texas. This an extended range of many different modifications, strengthening parts of the aircraft. He's got a light airline focus agreement. It's now which translates He is also a CFI, Certified Flight Instructor, teaching a number of students from tail wheel instruction to aerobatics, as well as giving checkouts to the factory certified QC Fitz S2C. Jason just moved to a Thank you, Jason. Hard not to do on a day like today, isn't it? Jason, like that sponsor spirit. Knowledge sources, country values. Trader Capella is Stewart Airplane Factory and Eastern Aero Supply. You can also check out Jason's blog on Instagram at Jason's That one's convertible at 245 horsepower, giving you an edge. Commercial airliner goes over. Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Jason's left, setting up for his landing right now. Wow, we got a pretty good crowd here. Hey, big thanks to all of you for coming out here today. There's a lot of other places you could have been. You decided to be with us here, and here comes Jason's left. You'll notice he kind of cants the airplane a little bit. That's because he's got no flaps. The idea being that he's using the fuselage of the airplane as an air brake. Because the last thing you want to do is pick up a whole lot of speed on your landing approach.